In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track what customers owe you in QuickBooks Online. Being able to quickly see who owes you money and how much is essential for staying on top of your cash flow and making confident business decisions. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on two really useful areas inside QuickBooks Online that make this easy: the Customer Hub and your main dashboard. Let's start with the Customer Hub. Go ahead and sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Then look for the section labeled Customers or Sales, depending on your layout. From there, open up the Customers area, sometimes called the Customer Hub. This is where QuickBooks keeps a list of all the people or companies that buy from you on credit. When you click on a specific customer, you'll be taken to their profile page. At the very top of that page, you'll see their current balance. That balance is the total amount that particular customer still owes you, based on all unpaid invoices and open charges. It's a simple, at-a-glance number that answers the question, how much does this customer owe right now? Just below that balance, you'll see a detailed list of transactions related to that customer. This typically includes invoices, payments, credit memos, and sometimes estimates or sales receipts. Use this list to understand where that balance is coming from. For example, you can see which invoices are still open, which ones are overdue, and which invoices have already been paid. If you click into any individual invoice, you'll get even more detail, like the due date, the items or services sold, and any partial payments that have been applied. This is extremely helpful when a customer calls with a question or when you're following up on overdue amounts. Now let's move over to your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. After you log in, the dashboard is usually the first screen you see. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of your business, and a big part of that is your accounts receivable, or what customers owe you. On the dashboard, look for sections or cards that show open invoices and overdue invoices. These panels summarize all outstanding customer balances in one place. You'll be able to see the total amount that's still unpaid, how much of that is past due, and sometimes a breakdown by aging, such as current, 1 to 30 days overdue, and so on. This view is perfect when you want a high-level picture without digging into individual customer profiles. By combining the detailed view in the Customer Hub with the snapshot on your dashboard, you'll always have a clear understanding of what your customers owe you in QuickBooks Online.